Let's unbox Factor Notes Happy Hamper 2024. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl, and today we are going to unbox, flip through and review Factor Notes 2024 planner. I got the happy hamper and this is how it looks. It's really compact. I'm super excited to unbox and see what's inside. And here we have the variant sticker which says keep going. It's really difficult to choose the cover design because most of them were really cute, and this is how the box looks. It's fully packed, I guess, and it's in this black background with a lot of floral. Now let's unbox. Okay, this is how it looks once we open. First we have a thank you card.
Hey there, looks like you have chosen the cutest hamper to kickstart 2024.
And then I can able to spot a lot of things. There is actually so many things. Should we look at the other things in the hamper, or let's look at the planner? Planner looks so gorgeous. I think planner comes first, right? Oh my god, there is a lot of things. That's it. And this is the planner. It looks so beautiful. Wow. It says keep going, keep growing. I really liked this quote. That's why I picked this. It's so compact. That smell of the new stationery. Let's flip through the planner. So this variant is actually in the white background and a lot of floral designs. It's so colorful and so bright actually. So that's why I went with white, because it looks like it's bright, vivid and really pretty. So first when we open, this is how it looks. First they have this Factor Notes My Life sort of element, and here it has a lot of little details like find joy in the little things, sleep well and wake up with a smile, eat nutritious food, stay curious, all those positive lines, which is nice to have at the beginning of the planner. And this is something unique I can able to see because I have used their 2023 planner, so this is something new. Next we have this planner belongs to page, wherein we have lines to write our name, and also there is a space for you to stick your beautiful cute picture if you want, or if you're someone like me, you can stick a sticker, something like that. Next we have set, strive, soar, crack the productivity game, plans can be fun, take note. This is a little note from them, and this is my top 5 goals, which is like a standard in the Factor Notes planner, like the goal section at the beginning of the planner. But the element design will be different. This time it's clouds, and inside each cloud you can write your one of the goal. So you can write top 5 goals, and I really like this cloud design and the powder blue color that is going on in the background. Next we have the 2024 year calendar, total year in an overview. Next comes days to remember, which I think is really useful in like a one single page. Next we have 2 sites for vision board, where you can create a vision board using pictures, stickers, collage, or you can even doodle or draw as well. I will link my vision board video on the screen right now. You can go and watch it after watching this video. It will be so useful. I covered literally everything in that video. Next is 2023 overview. So in these 2 spaces you can write down lessons from 2023, things that you're grateful for, goals accomplished and highlights of 2023. I think it will be like a good memory, and also reviewing and reflecting on the past year before moving on to the new year. Next we have the best is yet to come, make it happen. So this is like expectations for 2024 and action plan for 2024. So I think you can write what are you expecting for 2024 to happen, and in order to make it happen you can jot down the action plan. Next we have my improvement plan, which is something always standard in Factor Notes planner, and I really like them. We have improvement plan for body, mind, relationship and work, so that we are focused on each and every area of our life. We are not neglecting anything, and we are just keeping it balanced. So it's nice. You can in specific write what you have to focus on, or set plans to improve in a particular area. Let's say you want to lose weight or get fit, you can write specific actionable plan steps in this body section, like maybe joining the gym or walking every day, eating clean, etc. Next we have things I love about myself. I really like this design, really pretty. So whatever you love about yourself, you can write in these spaces. things to let go of. This is nice, and I really like the designs that the papers are like flying in this design. So you can just write it here and just let go of, sort of a brain dump. Next we have letter to my future self.
Ready to have a conversation with your future self? Take a moment to write a heartfelt letter addressing your dreams, ideas and plans. Don't hold back. Your future self is going to love this one.
So it's really nice activity that I encourage each one of you to try it out. Next, navigating growth, things to overcome, things to embrace. In order to grow, we have few things that we need to overcome and few things that we need to embrace. So that's what like a journal prompt in this. And I know me, there will be always self-reflecting questions in Factor Notes Planner to know about ourselves better. Self-awareness is literally the key. So we have my strengths and qualities, my passions and hobbies, my beliefs and values, things I find joy in. Next we have bucket list and anti-bucket list. Bucket list is basically things that you would like to do, and anti-bucket list is things that you don't want to do. So sometimes if you don't know what you want to do in your life, like bucket list, sometimes we might be very clear on what are the things that we don't want in our life. So once you write your anti-bucket list, you can like figure out and think easily on what you want to do. So that's this. Then we have my ideal week in 2024. So we have time. So what is an ideal week in 2024 looks like for you? You can jot it down in the space. Next, my favorite quotes, which is something standard in the Factor Notes Planner. You can write your favorite quotes in these boxes, and we have notes section. And here comes the first month spread. Welcome January, trust the magic of new beginnings, and it's a really pretty floral print. First we have the monthly calendar page. We have meetings, appointments, notes, all those details, so you can write down everything, remember clearly. Next we have budget plan, my budget for this month. So first at the beginning of the month itself you can create like a budget and you can write it here so that you don't have to exceed over it. And then income source amount, date, expenses and amount. So I think it's like a basic but a very good budget plan that you can follow. If you're a beginner, I think this is just perfect. And also at the bottom we have grand total, saved and overspent. If you overspent, you can jot down that to keep yourself accountable. Next we have meal plan. I don't know if we can meal plan for the entire month in this one single space. That is something that I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. And then we have shopping list, wherein you can write down the list of things that you need to buy in the particular month, which will be quite useful. And then we also have note section. Next we have mood tracker. In Factor Notes Planner, the mood tracker will be like you need to color for each and every day according to your emotion. So we have cheerful, peaceful, okayish, furious, confused, low. So you can denote colors and color that on that particular day. So usually when we entry our mood tracker, it's usually at the end of the day, right? So it just merge the two good habits, like we are tracking our mood, at the same time we are coloring, which is found to be really relaxing and unwind habit. So I think that's great. And here we have this little bit tracking system where you can track any habit literally, or you can even track your periods. Next we have the monthly plan, affirmations for the month, goals for the month, things to focus on and distractions to avoid. It's quite similar to the one in the 2023 planner from the Factor Notes. It's the same. Next, this is a weekly page. In the Factor Notes planner, you can see the full week at one single page. So if you're someone who likes that, then I think you can consider buying this, because you can view your full week in one single page. On the right hand side, it's like a weekly planning. So we have a lot of note section, top priorities, things to remember, habit tracker and a sleep log. So habit tracker, it's a weekly habit tracker. So that's a weekly page. This space you can either use to plan your to-do list, like you can use check boxes and write a to-do list for the day, or you can use it as a day diary moment. The journal at the end of the day, you can take out the planner and journal about that day in a few lines. If you like that, you can do that, or you can use it to plan your day to-do list stuff. So we have few weeks for that. Here we have congratulations, you have conquered January, give yourself a pat on the back. So like these little games and fun stuff will be all over the Factor Notes planner. If you have used, you know. Next we have monthly reflections that you can do at the end of the month. First we have my accomplishments, things I'm grateful for, my learnings, what could I have done better. Wellness tracker, you can track your happiness, physical health, mental health, productivity and me time, and also note section. And next we have February cup page. you're your home, take care of yourself. Lovely quote. So the monthly pages will be similar for all the month, and we do have ribbon bookmarks, 3, one in black color, another one in a baby pink sort of color, and another one in white color. So we have 3 ribbon bookmarks that you can use it to bookmark a certain page in your planner. Let's look at what is there after December. So this is a December monthly reflections. So after this we have a reading list and learning list. These lists will be really helpful if you want to keep track of your books that you're reading and things that you want to learn. I have my reading list on my Factor Notes 2023 planner as well, so it's quite useful. And then we have watch list, which if you watched my 2023 planner setup, I've converted into like K-drama list. Next we have emergency contact list, password tracker, you can track your password if you feel safe. Next we have EMI tracker, so you can track your EMI. I think this is something unique spread, so it will be quite useful if you have like a lot of EMIs and if you want to like keep track of it. Next we have wish list. I really like how specific this wish list part is. Like, what is your wish list, when you would like to purchase it, what is that budget. So it's quite specific, so we have a clear idea of what we want, when we want, and how much it is. Next we have restaurant list, travel list, annual vacation plan, which literally has everything like budget, expenses, address, sites to see, places to eat. You can jot down everything. So it's like a plan, like a 2 plain spaces to just brain dump, doodle, or whatever you want for your vacation. Next we have vacation packing list. You can jot down each and every single thing here so that you don't miss out on anything important to pack to your vacation. And we have highlights of 2024 to write whatever highlights that you have, like memories, and a plain page, and that's it. We also have back pocket, in which there is stickers, and that's it. We do also have elastic band closure. The planner looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And these are some stickers, some basic stickers. I can spot like a regular Factor Note stickers, and I also can see some new stickers, but the basic stickers are covered for you. And this is like a planner guide, which is really useful if you are a beginner and don't know how to use a planner, which is really thoughtful of them to add. So that's about the planner. Now let's look at other things that we have in the happy hamper, which I'm more excited than the planner. So first we have this sticker books, which contains like 600 plus stickers. That's a lot. So it says sticky stickers. I really like the cover design, it's nice, and it is small and compact. And these are some stickers that we have. Lot of unique stickers I can spot. So nice. Let me know if you guys want like a detailed sticker flip through of the sticker book. Let's look at these cards because I'm really curious about it. This is a conversational game cards for family and friends. Wow, talk about your most embarrassing moment in life so far. Who was your first crush and what embarrassing thing did you do to try and impress them? The questions are really fun and the card quality is so good, guys. It's so nice. I can't. What would you do if you got $100 million? Name one achievement of yours that will be a forever flex. Guys, there is a lot of cards and this is so good. It looks so fun and I can't wait to play with my cousins. I can't wait, guys. This is so good. I don't know if this is available separately on their website. If it is, then do get it if you do play these card games with your friends and family. I do, so this will be so useful for me. Next we have this photo frame, I guess, which says always always, so you can stick a picture in this frame. Next up we have these sort of unique, I think a lot of thoughts went behind this. So we have friendship tokens and family tokens. These are like 25 tokens for cherished moments of friendship. Wow, the quality is so nice, guys. It's literally like a token, like a ticket to something. Treasure trove, redeem a surprise gift from your friend. Try a new activity together. So you can just steer this, give it to a friend, and you both do an activity together, like an adventure. So that's how these tokens work, and there are like a lot to do. There are 25, so I think you will be sorted for the year with these conversational game cards and stuff. Really good, guys. Next we have family tokens, same 25. Enjoy a movie and popcorn date with the family. Definitely going to do that. Wish granter, get your family the things they ask for. Okay, so fun. Garden with your family. Guys, I love these tokens. These are so thoughtful. It's like a game. It's fun. At the same time, it's like spending quality time together. So I really love these like relationship nourishing activities that they have thoughtfully planned and curated. So good. This is something that I'm really excited apart from the conversational cards. Wow, this is Think in Pink page marker sticky notes. 200 leaves we have. There are different shades of pink. As a pink lover, I really love this. So pretty. I think I will not be using this. Next we have letters with love. Write, fold and gift. 40 mini letters with 8 cute design. Okay, that's fun. Let's see what's this. Okay, we just have to write it, fold and gift it. Okay, it has these cute elements. So cute. So it's not like a regular letter, but with a cute touch to it. Next, this is the desk calendar, Bus 2024 desk calendar that you can keep it like this. First we have reminders. Next is January. Next is the months. I think it's floral themed. I think so. It's nice. A cute little desk calendar. Next, this is I think wall posters. I do have their wall poster from the 2022 planner range, and here they mentioned thrown all our love into this. Go on, open it. I'm so excited. I think these are for letters. Letters with love. I think so. Okay. Happy birthday. These are some heart prints, and we also have bookmarks here itself. So beautiful. I love this lighthouse and also this book one. Next we have some cards. Wow, it looks so colorful. So good. Best mom. I'm so dang proud of you. Thanks a bunch. So pretty, guys. There is a lot of things. These are affirmation state of cards. Take what you need. My ideas are valuable. I am a work in progress. I'm grateful for my life. So you can actually tear it off, and you can even keep it on your wallet like a gentle reminder. Nice. Next, these are wall poster, which I was quite excited. Do it from love, not for love. Okay. The print looks quite different when compared to this 2022. This is like a thick card, but this is also a little bit thick, but not too thick. It's not like a card. Be the reason people still believe in kindness. Wow, I can see myself sticking these on my wall. That's it. This is the Factor Notes 2024 Happy Hamper unboxing and flip through. Actually, there is a lot of thoughts went behind this time. I really like the Happy Hamper from Factor Notes this time. It's really great. My review would be planner will be always good. I've used their planner for 2 years in the past, and the hardbound is really good quality. And if you really make use of these tokens, conversational cards, all of those things, then you can definitely go for a Happy Hamper. But even if you don't need these things, you can definitely go for the planner. I think the planner alone, it's in the affordable segment. It's the most affordable planner which contains literally everything. It's compact and it's so useful, and it's focused on beginner friendly, and I think that is Factor Notes. It's based on my experience and about other planners that have been launched in the market recently. The price point is really affordable. I think you can agree on that. So I will provide the link in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to buy. And if you're in your 2024 planner hunt, and if you want to see how the Ink Bucket 2024 planner looks like, then do click on this video on the screen right now and see for yourself. Happy planning, and I will see you in that video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.